What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular auto auction video. Man, guys, we have not done this in a long time, man. It's been a long time coming. You guys know this is where we started. Always love coming to the public auction, man. They always have some gems here, man. So if you local in Vegas, man, come on down and check them out. They always got some fly rides. Speaking of fly rides, man, they got something here that caught my eye on an email, man. So I had to pull up. Otherwise, I probably would have. But long behold, man, they got it right back there, man. I can't wait to check it out. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, we got a 2017 Dodge Charger 392. Looks like you got those big racing wheels on there, man. This thing is looking mighty fine. Can't even hold you. 33,000 miles on it. It is the Daytona. Man, you guys know this is my style, man. 392, I'm gonna feel like I'm in the South if I get one of these for sure. Pretty cool interior, nice leather. It's got the orange stitching all around it, so it is the top package. I'm sure it's got the sunroof and everything, so that is pretty dope. Daytona, can't wait till the auction comes tonight. I ain't gonna even hold you. This thing seems freaking legit for the most part. Interior and everything is clean, good to go. Yeah, it sounds like this window. Yeah, it sounds like this window is broken. Yep, this window is definitely broken. So I'm gonna need a new driver window there. Back seats and everything looking tacked, to say the least. We can actually pop the hood too, just because this thing is something special. Let's see that big old Hemi under here. It's definitely got the Hemi across the hood and everything, man. Whoo! We got the cold air intake. It looks like it's a JLT cold air intake. 392 SRT, 33,000 miles. Doesn't look like no damage or nothing under there. So that's always a plus. And this is the 6.4 liter. So you guys know this thing is pretty fast. It does come with the sunroof there. So, ooh-wee. Just imagine we come tonight and we score this thing, because I'm definitely going to come tonight and see if we can score this, man. So I don't know, we'll see. We shall see. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. We got a 2008 Toyota Highlander. Looks like 149,000 miles on the dash. Pretty cool car. We do have some slight tequila kickage up here in the front, so we can go to the junkyard, get a new bumper. No big deal there. Like I said, 149,000 miles. Headlights could use some restoration. If we take a look at the inside, it is pretty clean. It does have some nice beige interior. You guys know I don't really care too much for the beige, but being that this is leather, it is a bit cleaner than the other beige interiors that we have seen in the past. This does have the sunroof, so this tells me this may be the top of the line version, as it does have the leather and sunroof and everything. So this car right here should be pretty fair. You guys know Toyotas, for the most part, are pretty decent cars. It is the V6. I don't know if this V6 is reliable in particular, but Toyota in general is a pretty fair car, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. We got a 09 BMW 328i. Look like they got some fender rolls. They have some huge wheels on here, so that thing been knocking that fender back. Paint is pretty faded. Looks like the hood is like getting hot. Of course, you guys know we're in this desert. Does have a starter issue, so starting this thing on point when you want to may be an issue, so you got to keep an eye on that. Other than that, the car itself, I mean, I guess it looks pretty decent for what it is. If you just want a Beamer, this could be yours. Pretty decent interior as well. I mean, it's beige, nothing too crazy about it, but it isn't in too rough of a condition. Whoever had it before definitely was a smoker, but no big deal. You got some tequila kicks on the side, tequila scratches and all that good stuff, man. So don't know the mileage. I didn't even see the mileage, but I don't know. It's a Beamer, man. It's 154 on the dash. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Oh my, they got the McLaren here all burnt up. That's nuts. Somebody was drag racing the foreign. Dang, look at that. That's nuts. Whoa. Well, it was a McLaren. Hopefully whoever was in it, you know, lived. But dang, that thing is crisp up to a T, boy. Look at that. That's nuts. It was a nice color. This right side is pretty good. 570S. Sheesh. Let's see the other side real quick. Golly. That's crazy. Wow. Well, it didn't look like they hit nothing on the front. It looked like they type spun out and like hit the back end or something. But God. Thing is pretty whooped now. Goon Squad or somebody might be able to bring it back together, but I think this one's gonna be a dud for now. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. We got a 07 Nissan Altima, 215,000 miles. Looks like we got a huge smack in the back. So before we get too in depth in this whip, let's look at the back. Oh, it looks like, see, from the other side, it looked like it was a huge smack. But actually, I mean, it's not that bad, but it's something I don't really want to deal with. Like, you know, I don't really want to become a body shop. So that being said, I don't really want to work on this stuff. This thing is like pretty hideous in the inside anyway. But we'll check it out and see what else they got. Don't want the 2008 Toyota Corolla with 202,000 miles. I'm actually good. The inside of that thing looks pretty whipped. We got a 13 Chevy Impala here. Back window is broken. Does have the sunroof, so that tells me this is the top of the line one of this model. Disregarding it being the SS, of course. But 120,000 miles on it. It says FP, so my guess is fuel pump. I'm guessing it doesn't start. But if you take a look at the inside, Queen of Dumb. Yeah, you guys read the rest there. But hey, if you like it, I love it. Impala. Gonna need a new tail light, new rear bumper. No big deal there, but it says you're gonna need a fuel pump. So keep that in mind when you're bidding. We'll see what happens, man. What y'all think? All right, we don't want the 07 Prius with a blown motor. It says something is wrong with the motor there, so we don't want that. We got a 04 Mazda, 208,000 miles, little hatchback. Pretty cool little car. You do have some bumper rolls or whatever you want to call it there. But inside, definitely a smoker's car for sure. This car is pretty whipped, man. I mean, if you clean it, you can bring it back to life. But it's definitely pretty whipped, like a smoker's car, man. What y'all think? 208,000 miles, I'm good. Don't want the wrecked Toyota. Don't want that. Got a little pickup truck. This little pickup truck actually seemed pretty fair, I guess. It's a Ford F-150. I think it's a 2000. 113,000 miles. It's got the V8. Looks like we got some window stuff up there. I don't know. We take a quick look at it in the inside. I mean, beige interior is not that bad. It's actually pretty decent. It does have the sunroof, so this is the top of the line of this car. I don't even think they made these cars with leather or not, but seems pretty fair. I mean, it does have some decent mileage, nothing too rough. So y'all let me know what y'all think, man, in the comments below. I'm digging it. I mean, it don't got too much damage, but it is something, man. Y'all see what's going on. I don't want the Chrysler van with 175,000 miles. 226. 04. 94. Good. Dang, this car took a beating, didn't it? Wow. They knocked the whole, like, body panels off that joint, dog. That thing looked nuts. That thing do look nuts. I guess, you know, the other cars back here is cool and whatnot, but nothing really my flavor. Godly. That thing is pretty whipped. But we gonna see. I like this little Dodge truck right here. We got a 99 Dodge Ram, 162,000 miles, lifted up on like some type, not mud tires, but they got some nice tires to it. Looks like that Walker Texas Ranger or whatever his name was. Take a look at the inside. Cloth interior. pretty fair. Pretty fair, man. What y'all think? It's got the weather guard like we had in our Silverado in the back, so that's a plus. It's got a bunch of wood and parts and stuff, so this may be a pretty decent truck here. Wouldn't mind having this one. 4x4 seems pretty clean. Got to check and see if it comes through running right when it comes through the auction. What y'all think though, man? That one's a pretty decent truck as well. Got another F-150 unknown mileage on this one. You guys know I don't like buying stuff with unknown mileage. The window is broken back here, so you guys can check out the inside. Beige interior, long bed. This one actually seems like it's got a longer bed than the other one. But little Tahoe truck. We got a few different cool options here actually today. I wouldn't lie to you. Got a couple cool options. 2004, this got 283,000 miles. I think I'm good on that one, man. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. What was your favorite ride here today, man? Mine was a Charger, of course, man. You gotta love a Charger, man. That thing is beast. Can't wait to come back and bid on that thing. Hoping we can win it. You guys know there's gonna be some dealers here tonight, so of course they're gonna be bidding top dollar. But we're gonna see what we can do, man. If you guys haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you in the next one, dog. Peace.